Clicking through. If you're already convinced and you want to get the $614 worth of DMR equipment, just go right down below this video and enter your email and name so we know where to send it if you win. If you need a little bit more information, just stay tuned, okay? I'm super excited to announce we now are offering these DV Megas fully assembled hotspots. This is the dual band version. We also have the UHF, but we are giving this away. This is a completely assembled unit, ready to go, no hassle, no mess, $279 worth of value. In addition to that, we are giving away our Anytone 868 best-selling dual-band DMR radio. It's going to go great with your hotspot. In addition to that, not only are you getting one battery, you're getting an extra one, $30 value. You're also going to get a Nagoya NA701 high-gain antenna, okay, a $21 value. People love this. We've been including them in every 868 sale. They're just fantastic. They work so much better than the regular one. They're just great. As well, we're giving away our BCS 200 speaker mic with this order, a $30 value. And this one's also fantastic, super sturdy, water dust resistant, just fantastic. But just one more thing, in addition to this radio and this hotspot, a full service programming plug and play, okay, when you buy an Anytone and a DV Mega, we are going to program them both up for you. We are going to give you 10 of the most popular talk groups and channels in the world, okay? And they're going to be completely synced together. All you have to do is turn both of them on and you're ready to talk. No studying, no hassling with programming, none of it. No creating code plugs. It's all done for you. Just plug and play, okay? And this is available for purchase as well, all right? You can purchase the DV Mega, this radio, and the programming if you buy them together, okay? So if you want to win all this, which I don't know why you wouldn't, just go below and put in your name and email address so we know where to send it. This is Daniel, N0RY, with BridgeCom Systems. Thanks guys, 7-3.